Hello and welcome to the channel Other Tongues. In this video, we will discuss the Thai consonant ma. This is part of a series of videos to help you learn Thai. You will find the link to the playlist in the description. The Thai consonant ma sounds like an M at the beginning and end of a syllable. Mo. The accompanying word ma means horse. Ma is a localist consonant and a sonorant final consonant. This is how ma is written. Important here is to start by drawing the circle at the top left corner of the letter in the clockwise direction. If you then follow the illustration here, you should not have any problems writing ma from beginning to the end without raising the pen. Some Thai consonants may look similar at the beginning. Consonants that may look like ma are no nu, bo bai mai, and po pla, all of which have a circle at the top left corner of the letter. No nu has a second circle at the bottom right corner of the letter, as opposed to ma, which has a second circle at the bottom left corner of the letter. Bo bai mai and po pla do not have second circles. In addition, po pla has a significantly longer stroke at the right of the letter. That is the consonant ma, which sounds like an M at the beginning and end of a syllable. It is a localist consonant and a sonorant final consonant. The accompanying word ma means horse. Ma is written like this and bears some resemblance to these letters of the Thai alphabet. I hope you've learned something from this video. References to resources are in the description. You can write your questions and comments in the comment section below. Until next time, it's goodbye.